These videos don't grow on trees, though we film near a lot of them. Help us out at seamitecampsite.com/donate or scan the QR code before we run out of granola.
Hello there again, folks. Matt from seamitecampsite.com. Today I'm excited to show you Huntington State Park in Utah. Located a little over 2 hours from Salt Lake City, driving south on I-15, you take Spanish Fork Canyon to Price, then Highway 10. It's only about 20 minutes from Price and sits at about an elevation about 5,900 feet. Huntington State Park sits along Huntington Lake, which is a warm water lake that is great for water skiing, jet skiing, paddleboarding, kayaking. You can fish for bass and bluegill as well. You can also rent paddle boards or kids' kayaks if you don't want to pack that stuff with you. So those are kind of first come, first serve, so get there early to enjoy those. You shouldn't have any issue with cell coverage from major carriers because it's a nice open area. You can bring dogs as long as they're leashed, and of course we leave no trace. Please like and subscribe to keep us going as well. Huntington State Park offers 25 campsites with power, water, and an on-site dump station. And they have flush bathrooms. It's time. Let's show you the sights.
Before I drop any knowledge, let's give a round of applause to the sponsor that made this video possible. Tired of hidden fees? At Motorsportsland, the price you see is the actual price without crazy fees like some other dealers. Transparent pricing and no surprises with Motorsportsland. Visit motorsportsland.com.
We hope you enjoy your time at Huntington State Park, and of course, we'll see you down the road.